Want to know how to find trending audio for your Instagram Reels? In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can find trending audio for Instagram Reels without using TikTok. The current Instagram algorithm, which we all know is forever changing, seems to be pushing trending audio and making it more visible when it comes to Reels. Why this is, I'm not really sure, because as a consumer, I think hearing the same songs over and over again is kind of annoying, but that's just me. Let me know how you feel about trending audio in the comments below. So TikTok is actually where a lot of these trends start, but it's super easy to get sucked in. The average TikTok user spends 52 minutes a day on the app, which comes out to 21 and a half hours a month. Now, if you're a business owner that's not already utilizing TikTok, that's probably not something you're looking to add to your already overflowing daily to-do list. Even if you don't want to use TikTok, you can still participate in trends on Instagram Reels, and I'm going to show you how you can figure out what those are. And they do vary based on industry and user and things like that, so what's trending for me might not necessarily be trending for you. So let's dive into figuring out what is trending for you. Okay, so you're going to open the Instagram app and then go to the Explore page and tap on the first reel that pops up. From there, you're literally just going to scroll and listen for audio that repeatedly comes up. Oh, hey, Brittany. So if there are songs that continue to show up over and over again, then you know that those are trending. You can tap to save right here. And later in the video, I will show you how to access those saved files in order to use them for your Reels. But for now, just save them. So you can also do this in your own feed. So you just scroll until you get to a reel, tap watch reels, and then just start scrolling through those reels and see what comes up repeatedly with the audio. And again, if you come across something that you like, then save it. Lastly, you can search by hashtag. So I'm going to just search hashtag branding and then tap on tags, branding. And the first thing that's going to pop up is going to be a reel because Instagram loves reels right now. So I'm going to tap on that. And from here, I'll be able to see all of the reels that are using the hashtag branding. Save any of the audio that you find that you like or that you hear repeatedly, and we will access it later. If you keep coming across the same person that's putting out reels regularly and you feel like they're really good at reels, it's a good idea to follow them or to browse through the audio they're using because they're more than likely on top of using trending audio already. Now, there are a few questions that come up. Number one being, what if I don't want to be trendy? And number two being, is it copying if I copy what somebody else did in their reel? My response to this is to try and be inspired, not copy. So yes, trending audio is something that you're going to end up using the same exact audio bite. And you might even do the same style of dance or whatever motion they are doing in the video. However, if you can take that audio or that reel and figure out how to adapt it to your business and your idea and see how you can put your own unique twist on it, then that's really the sweet spot. I know for myself that I do think that the audio that is trending and playing over and over again and seeing the exact same thing over and over again is kind of annoying and makes me feel like people aren't very original. But when I see someone who has taken something trending and turned it into their own, I think it's really awesome, and I think that people are really appreciative of that. So the question to ask yourself is, how can I use this trending audio or this trending dance or this trending concept in a different way that relates to my business? So let's say you come across a trending audio. You can actually tap on the audio file, and it shows that I have it saved, and then you will see, oh, hey, there's me. All of the people who have used this audio. And now you can actually just tap at the bottom. There's a camera that shows up and you can tap use audio if you want to make your own reel. But I recommend saving them first and then going back and batching and creating as many as you can in one time. So as you're scrolling through these, you can see that the original poster has 1.5 million views on it. Then there are people that have 17.3, 13.5. So if you were to tap on one of these, there's my test about trending audio. Then you can just scroll and see different ways that people are using it. Obviously, everyone's hitting the screen in this one. So if you can figure out a way to do it without hitting the screen, or maybe you hit the screen and talk about something else, there's just a different variation of ways to do it. Oh, see, she did a shove instead. So really, it's just a lot of scrolling and listening involved, but this time the scrolling isn't just mindless, it's intentional, so it's okay. Once we have our audio saved and we want to go in and actually create the reels, we are going to open up the app. We're going to go to our own profile and tap up here on the 3 little bars, go to saved, and then there's a Reels idea folder that I have, and you'll see all of your ideas that you have saved here. So let's say we click on one. From here, we can tap on the audio. And then if I save the audio, one, I can just go to the bottom where it says use audio, and then that will open for me to take a reel. But also, let's say we want to start a reel from scratch. And we go to Reels. Oh, hey. Then you can tap on your audio up here and then go to your saved, and it's going to pull up all of the audio that you have saved. So from there, you can actually use the audio to create a reel. Lastly, keep in mind that all trends start somewhere and weren't a trend the first time they were made. So if you want to create a trend or feel like you have a good idea for a trend, there are a couple of ways that you can find original music. My favorite way to do this is to just turn on a playlist that I think my ideal client would be listening to and let it play in the background when I'm driving, when I'm working. And I actually have a playlist titled Reels Ideas in my Spotify account. And as soon as a song comes up, I listen to the lyrics. And if I feel like I could apply that to my business, I save it to my Reels playlist to visit later. So if you're looking for more original music, this might be an option for you to try. So to wrap it all up, remember that you can look for Reels in 3 different places, and that is the Explore page, your own feed, and also via a hashtag. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so that you get notified every time I put out a new video. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments below and I will see you on the next video.